Okay, so let's taste this. It tastes good. So now that we're done with our little snack, we are going to eat the egg chiffon sandwiches with vanilla cream. So
The other way.
No, it's here.
Okay.
Let's taste.
Is it good? Is it good?
It's not my type.
It's not?
No, because I'm not a cream fan I'll just give this na lang 3 out of 10. So now we are done having our little snack. So I'm going to show you some of the nice shops around the Tokyo Midtown Hibiya. So we have this one bread shop. I'm not sure how you read it.
Then we have there's also two cinemas up there. And this one, they are falling in line, right? The locals are falling in line. Then we have Patisserie and Cafe de Limo.
Another bread shop and the name is La
Come on! Boulangerie? Bonjour?
Ikaw na.
I don't know.
Volume lang galing. So we are at Ginza 6 to eat our very late lunch because it's like time check, parang 3 or 4 o'clock na. So I'm very hungry. So let's go find some food
to eat. Kiwi. That's the cat.
We're going to eat at Italy. As in literally. Eat alley. We will eat the alley. Medyo lang.
Italy.
So now we're seated and we already ordered. It's very social. And you know what?
They're good in English.
Yeah, they're really good at English. Then when mommy was like trying to record here, the waiter accidentally bumped into my tapos sabi niya, ay, sorry madam. Wow. I'm tasting that Italissimo Gayela. Not a big fan, but I'm sure I'll do today. Now that we're done eating, we're going to take a small stroll so that because we're
Yes, and we can see here. Oh, there's Magna Bottega Veneta Beyond. Oh, it's nice. Oh, this one is cool. It's cool. Giant books. And there is
Mogol.
toy show. Look.
I have no idea what this is. We found the manga section. It has Sakamoto, me and my mom's favorite, Jujutsu Kaisen, and Spy Family, and my all-time favorite, Demon Slayer. There's a long collection of books. And look.
There's Naruto also. Yes. Oh, Sakuragi.
There's also Blue Lock, Slam Dunk,
Yes.
Detective Conan, My Hero Academia.
Nice. Art gallery. Crazy, is it? Okay, look. It's very nice.
Oh look, it's some of the manga pages.
Look, look, look. It's very nice. Their drawing is very, very, very good.
Okay, so now we're done with everything. I'm very tired, but not so much. I really enjoyed the azalea flowers. They were very beautiful, and I took a lot of pictures in my iPad, so I had to delete some. And the pasta was very delicious.
Delicious in Italy.
Delicioso. Tell me if I pronounced it right. I didn't get to taste Mommy's pasta though, but she tasted mine. She said it was good because it really was.
And the pizza.
As for the pizza, I didn't like the mozzarella, but overall it's really delicious and too big for us too. So maybe we'll order smaller this time. So thank you for joining me again in my another.
How about Hibiya? Did you like Hibiya? Hibiya, where we eat our snack?
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me. I enjoyed the snack a lot, especially the egg onigiri. And I hope you guys can try it also. I hope I showed it to you properly so you can buy it also. So thank you for coming with my little adventure. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell so that you will be always updated for my new vlogs. Peace out, Kilimate! See you again!